In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Grand Caravan key fob. This particular key fob was used on Grand Caravans between 2004 and 2007 and takes just one of these CR2032 batteries. You can get these batteries online. I have left a link down in the description if you'd like to pick one up on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And the only other thing you will need is a flathead screwdriver. So let's get started. If you look down on the left side of the device, right along this seam here, you can see this little indentation, a little space. We're going to put our flathead screwdriver in and just twist like that until we have made a little bit of an opening between the two halves of the key fob. Now you can just pull it apart with your fingers. I like to go down the side actually and twist, continue to open the device up, and then it'll come apart very easily. Now we can just remove these buttons here, this little rubber part, set that aside, and there's our battery. I'm just going to get under the battery with my tool here, just gently go under the battery and lift it up, and the thing will pop right out. You can see that's a CR2032. Going to take a new one and make sure this positive side with the battery information goes face down, and then you can just click it into place like that. Very simple. Now let's just put it all back together. I'm going to position this on top till it sits in place. Face of the key fob goes right on top of everything else, and you click it back together and you are done. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries of any of your key fobs from any make or model, go ahead and check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.